A treatment option against COVID-19, usually only seen in larger hospitals, is now branching out to more rural areas in northwest Missouri. Health officials say the goal is to reduce the number of people who are getting seriously ill and dying from the virus. KQ2's Ron Johnson takes us to Cameron with more.
Health officials in northwest Missouri say they're seeing more patients eligible for infusion treatments for COVID-19.
The primary medical providers within the region have identified a need for outpatient monoclonal antibody infusion.
In fact, they're seeing more than what area hospitals can currently handle.
Those are available currently through some of the hospitals, but there's a limited capacity there.
That's where this building, just off 36 Highway in Cameron, steps in. After being vacated since the pandemic began, it's now serving a new purpose.
This used to be an insurance building here in Cameron, and now it's being used for monoclonal COVID antibody treatment. Health officials here say they see up to 40 patients a day.
These are medications that are under emergency use authorization from the FDA. They are laboratory synthesized neutralizing antibodies specific to COVID-19.
The treatment is meant to help those who test positive for COVID-19 and are considered high risk for serious illness or death. Health officials say the key to a successful outcome with this is early detection.
We absolutely have to treat you within the first 10 days after symptom onset. The earlier the better.
They hope expanding this treatment option to Cameron will make it easier for eligible patients to get it sooner rather than later.
Hopefully it reduces the number of patients that end up hospitalized, ultimately reduces the number of patients that die from COVID, because we're still seeing just a huge number of people die from this illness. This doesn't take the place of vaccinations, but once you're infected, this can then be used to help treat the acute illness that follows the infection.
Ron Johnson, KQ2 News.
The Antibody Infusion Treatment Center will be available by appointment only, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Monday to Saturday. Health officials say you can call the Antibody Infusion Center at area code 816-312-8718 for more information.